Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to create an Etsy shop banner using Picmonkey. So having a shop banner is one of the most important branding assets that every shop should have. So if you currently don't have one or need to upgrade your current banner, then make sure that you check out this video all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And this is for everyone. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos that I upload. Also, if you're interested in taking your business to the next level, make sure that you check out my Etsy Mastery course. I will leave a link right below this video. You can actually click on it, see the course curriculum, see the testimonials, and much more. So let's head over to my computer and let's get started on this tutorial. All right, so here we are on my computer. I'm logged in to Picmonkey. And if you guys want to try out Picmonkey, I will leave my referral link right below this video. Now, I have both Canva and Picmonkey. And the reason why I use both of them is because there are some features on Picmonkey that I can't get on Canva and vice versa. And that's the reason why I have both. But I recommend just going in there, trying it out for yourself. And then you can make an informed decision if you want to continue using Picmonkey based on your experience. So what I normally do, I just go to templates. And if you just click on this little box in here, it's going to give you all of these different options that you could create. And I'm just going to go straight to Etsy. Keep in mind, you could create an Etsy shop big banner, an Etsy shop mini banner, which is like the smaller one. And you could even do an Etsy icon, shop icon. It doesn't show up here, but I will show you how to find it in a few minutes as well. So what I'm going to do is click on Etsy shop big banner for now. And these are all the different options that you have. What's really nice about these is that majority of them are already pre-made for you. So you don't really have to do anything besides change the text, change the color for branding purposes if you want to, change the images or use the ones on the actual banner if you like to. And it's already optimized for your Etsy shop, meaning that once you download it by clicking here, download, and you download the file, you don't need to change the size. It's already optimized for your store. All you need to do is upload it, and it should be a high quality banner with no blurriness, and it should be good to go. But as you can see, they have many options here to choose from. Obviously, you could create one from scratch if you wanted to as well. That's really up to you. But these are pre-made templates that all you need to do pretty much is change the photos or keep it the same way that it is. It depends on what you prefer. So these are all the different options here. As you can see, they have quite of a selection. And everything is customizable, meaning you could change the colors. So if I wanted to change, let's say, the purple to a different color, you could either drop your hex number here, or you could just pick from the colors from here if you wanted to. As you can see, it's very simple to change. And that's all you have to do. And then to edit the text, you just click on the text, delete whatever text is there, and then just put your own text. So let's say I just wanted to put my name, my actual Etsy shop name. And that's all I'm going to do, right? And you could change the text to this as well, the color to something else if you wanted to. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. And it's already, like I said, optimized correctly for the size. So you don't have to worry about resizing. And you could come in here and use any of these banners. They have this one as well, which is really cute. You could just change all of this, change the color, etc. And if you wanted to do the mini banner, let's click on that one just so you guys can see it. Let's go down to it. Etsy shop mini banner, click there. And these are all the different options they have. So they have this one, which is really cute with the discount. They have this one. I kind of like this one a lot. It has the flowers. This is great for if you have like a wedding store. It looks really cute. So they have all of these, they have this one, and this will give you ideas, especially if you're stuck on what to create for your store. Now, what's cool about this banner too, like something like this with a coupon or free shipping, is that if you have Etsy Plus in your store, because with the Etsy Plus, you could add additional banners. Like you could have your main banner, which could be something like this one. Then you could have a second banner that because they change, you could have a second banner that says free shipping, and maybe you could have a third banner with your best sellers. So you could kind of alternate it that way, and that's pretty cool. It's something different that not many stores actually do or upgrade to make their store look different. This one's really nice as well. But as you can see, they have a lot of options that you could play around with and change. Keep in mind, like I said, everything you could change here. You could change the photo, you could change the text, you could change the font, you could change the colors. So everything is pretty much customizable. This is like the other one, but just a smaller one. It's the same one, but smaller. Keep in mind, you want to change the background color. You click there on the layer that you're working with, and look at how simple that is. Even with that color, it looks really cool, orangey. And then once you're ready, you just download the file as a PNG file. I think that should be sufficient, or JPEG. And then let's go ahead and look for the Etsy shop icon. Let's see if I could find it so I could show you. So here are the Etsy shop icons, and they have quite a selection here as well. You can kind of go through them and pick any of these here. You could upload your own logo if you have one and just use this on the bottom. You could do something like this simple. I know a lot of people do these. I'm almost tempted to do something like this simple and easy, and then just having my name right here, because I like simplicity like that, and these are really cool. I even like stuff like this that's very simple, but it's up to you pretty much to play around with it. But they have a lot of options here, and keep in mind that if, like I said, if you already have a logo, you could upload the logo and just use the text area, or vice versa. So you could change the colors and everything, but this is the shop icon that you could download. Also, what you could do is if you have like a custom order, or you have like a special that you're running, you could do something like this. Like let's say, let's go to this one here. So let's say that's your logo in the background, the little flower. What you could do is you could use these for additional stuff in your store. So you could say custom order, right? And this could be a image or a listing that you would use for whenever you need to charge someone for a custom order. You could adjust this a little bit here, and this could be the Etsy photo cover of that particular listing. So you could use it for multiple things and then have that aesthetic of the same branding behind your brand, which is really important. But it's really cool. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if stuff like this really helps you, if I find tools or resources that are easy to use for your Etsy business or just for your handmade business. Let me know if this was useful in the comments below, so I could go ahead and make note of that and create more videos similar to this one. And thanks again for watching, everyone.